Here we have an Emglo air compressor. This compressor is powered by an electric motor. The motor does have a switch here, so you can change it and run it off of 110 or off of 220 single phase power. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead. Actually, it's been turned on already, so it's up to pressure. And we're gonna release some pressure and it'll turn back on. Build up some air pressure. I believe it's about 110 or 120 psi, and then it'll shut off. And once it goes down to about 100, it'll turn back on. Okay, so yeah, so it's 120, and then once it goes down to 100, it'll turn back on. Okay, it also comes with the extra cable. That's for the 220. Okay, that is the Emglo wheelbarrow air compressor.